happened? What happened? Wow. What happened? Wait. It's kind of sweet. Just a mini container. Let me taste it. Can I taste it? Cheers. Good. What's some this tastes like cacao chocolate. Cacao, we have cacao. The bread, not the chocolate. Ooh. So good. Now it feels like we like combining food. Chocolate and loaded is so tasty. It only has one part. One day you're getting the light. Like. Bye bye. Bye.